it, baby. I don't know if there's like way too much wind right now, so maybe I don't say much, but we're doing some things that head to Merritt Island later today. But yeah, beautiful morning. Water looks great. This area is awesome. It's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so the adventure starts now. We ate breakfast. We had breakfast and second breakfast. Did a quick walk around the beach again, and then we're at the Manatee Sanctuary, where we're gonna look around for a little bit. We got a couple other spots this afternoon before we check in at our place this afternoon at Merritt Island, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, they're actually kind of pretty. I think they're both domestic. So, yeah, onward.
Kiss.
It's you and me in an alternate universe.
Push, kiss.
So this is the only manatee we saw. Actually, I think there's a baby too.
It's a cutie. Oh, there is a baby.
But,
They eat for 6 to 8 hours per day, so they're probably eating.
oh, true. At least we saw some turts.
Feed the scrub jays.
We're at Elle and Cruciank's Sanctuary Preserve, something like that. Ooh, lizards. It said don't feed the scrub jays, so hoping we see. So just like that, we got a couple of scrub jays. There's a couple here. Pretty exciting. Love getting a lifer. So we read yesterday that there was what, 10,000?
Yeah, fewer than 10,000.
Fewer than 10,000. So they have these really cool habitats where they
Scrub.
will basically make the scrub and light the fires like we were at yesterday. This one's a little nicer and less scuffed than the one yesterday. Seems like it's pretty well kept. Shout out to the Crucianks for that. But, I think we saw it. So far, just the scrub jays, some northern mockingbird, a huge nest that appears to be osprey living in it. It looks like an old eagle nest, maybe. Pileated woodpeckers and black vultures, if I didn't say that already. But nothing else. The weather's super nice. This is a pretty cool stop. If I was in this area, I would go to the Helen and Allen Cruikshank spot. It's a pretty tranquil little walk. Dang. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Just nice. How sick was that? Okay, so petition to make the Florida Scrub Jay Florida state bird. Because it's not for some reason. Honey. Kitty? Marsh kitty. So we're at the Orlando Wetlands. We've spent a little time here. It's pretty cool. The weather is impossibly nice right now with the sun straight above us. So, number one on the bird board here was a kingfisher. I do not believe I'll see one today, but it'd be sick if I did. Thank you.
We're on 90
What do you want to see?
I don't even know. The world is our oyster.
Funky chicken. Chicken. Swamp puppy. Beware of swamp puppies. Okay, so that was really cool. We saw a gator move across this little part of the wetland into this grass where this ibis was. And then we thought there was a chance we'd see it. We'd see the croc or the gator.
He went past him, he hung a Yui, and he went under the grass. Right there.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. That was the first time I think I've seen a gator try to hunt. And the ibis got away. Much to my dismay and not to hers. That would have been wild footage though.
Yeah.
We're cruising now. Bald Eagle Boulevard. So, like I said at the beginning of this journey, number one was the kingfisher, and I got him. Just saw a bald eagle, and we watched a green heron very close up launch something, and got some footage and a photo of that. So that's pretty good. Everything else has been really nice, but that made it really, really worth. I like this spot. It's been nice and breezy. Pretty good. How you feeling, baby? This is a neat area. We were kind of hoping to get closer to some shorebirds because it'll just kind of make the numbers like really high here. We saw some. There was a black stilt, some kind of dunlin looking bird, maybe a semi-palmated. We'll look at our photos, but it was hazy. It's pretty far away. But yeah, good numbers so far. I bet if you came here in the morning, this place would be just absolutely popping. So, we took a little break, got some snacks. It's about almost 3 actually. So we knocked out most of middle day, which so far on this trip hasn't been awesome for birding. We got some pretty good stuff. we're gonna go back out because there's a boardwalk. I still haven't seen it. So,
Your watch died.
it's like dead?
Yeah. I think it's out of battery.
Oh, I thought it was like permanently dead.
Oh, but I can't remember where my charger is.
Oh boy.
I know. Oh well.
She has a Garmin watch.
It's just like, did you even walk if your fitness watch didn't track it?
Your phone will kind of do it.
Yeah, maybe. I was wondering why it wouldn't let me refresh it. It was good.
Bummer. Were you wearing it on your ankle too?
Yeah, I still am.
Oh.
I can't have tan line.
She doesn't want to watch Tan Line for the wedding in June. If you're a new viewer, we're getting married in June. So, heading back to the parking lot, the last little bit of the trail. We've been here for 4 hours. Pretty good. A little break, saw a bunch of stuff. I did get a red shoulder hawk on camera, but it wasn't amazing. Sometimes the A9 III, despite being an incredibly sophisticated camera, just like doesn't. And I don't know what that's about. So I like undo the lens, pop out the battery, turn on and off, whatever. It can be pretty frustrating having a, like almost $7,000 camera and I guess now I think this lens is over $2,000, which is sad, but yeah, it's like a $9,000 camera system. And it was like dead simple, front light, clean background, had it in focus for a second and then just tipped on. And that's pretty crazy. It's on bird autofocus, it's on tracking. I even have custom recall buttons to kind of change the autofocus type on the fly and kind of do it. I think it bummed me out quite a bit, but I got a shot, so it's something. Still hoping to see some more predator birds on this trip. But pretty good day of birding today. We still have Hal Scott and potentially we'll hit another spot before we get to Merritt Island. How you holding up?
Pretty dang good.
You got anything else to add?
I did get the red shoulder, and that was pretty cool.
Sweet.
It's not that often that I get them in focus, so it's neat when it happens. It's a bummer that you didn't get them, but
Yeah, that's all right. She's still running the A6700 with the Sigma 100 to 400, which is like, if you have like $2,000 and you want to get into a bird system, she has gotten spectacular stuff with it. It's a really awesome setup and it gives you about kind of 150 to 600-ish field of view. So it's got pretty good reach. It's 26 megapixels, so it's not bad. Like she's technically getting the same field of view I'm getting from the 200 to 600 with an A9 III. So it's pretty good. Kind of hoping to see if they do like a more modern, partially stacked or stacked APS-C sensor this year. I'd love to see an A6900 just like crush, because we'll probably get her on that if that's the case. And then we'll see what happens with this 100 to 400 situation, because if the F4 is legit, I might want it. So she'll have a 200 to 600 probably. We'll see.
that'd be sick. Heavy, but sick.
Heavy but sick. So that's delightful. Trying to find a place to eat in this town was really weird. Google was not helpful, and then we were like, let's just do this. It looked okay. It's incredible when we got here, so that's dope. We have some IPAs, a little blue heron, some bruschetta, and we're gonna get some fish and some other stuff. It's gonna be awesome. So when you were booking this, what was the primary thing you were looking for?
Safe, like privacy, and nice, clean, good.
With no consideration for how I fit in it. It's actually really nice.
But he does fit.
But I do, when I get into here, I do fit.
Maybe by this much.
More than an inch.
Yeah.
This is pretty nice though. It's called the Island Cave.
It's cute.
It's super cute.
And there's this little wave sound machine in here.
Nice. Oh, and it has like this.
Yeah.
Cool. We're in an island cave. I love you.
What a
Okay, so I am currently backing up some footage, organizing some things, and we're kind of walking through kind of all the places that we went. We're gonna do a little bit of a recap. I guess we probably already doing the recap, so I don't need to say that. I can go ahead and cut that. But so we can get everything pieced together, figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow morning, and maybe even tomorrow night. I think I know what I'm leaning for tomorrow night, so we'll see. This matters on how everything lines up. And then we gotta be on the plane really, really early tomorrow, or the following day. So I'm not looking forward to that.
Me neither. But we got time before then.
What do you want to do the most tomorrow?
I'd really like to see a flamingo.
Oh,
I don't know that it's gonna happen. But it'd be neat.
okay. I'd like to see a flamingo too. As of right now, I believe it is 103 bird species. We just added a house finch, and we just heard an Egyptian goose, I guess. It sounded wild.
Can't be corroborated, unfortunately.
I'm assuming it was on Merlin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't see it though, so it doesn't count. But we also have 18 lifers this trip, which is pretty cool. That's a good ratio. So, yeah. It's one more day. One more day.
One more day.